Well, we have another cool start to our day, but not as cold as what we've seen in the past several days where temperatures will be in the 30s. Well, we have temperatures into the 50s this morning. So with the cloudy skies really overhead, that has surely been keeping us at least more cloudy and more warm out there. Temperatures really into the 50s across the entire area, places further into southern Indiana, of course, into the upper 40s. So, of course, the further you go north, the cooler it will get outside. And look at that bust out forecast for this morning. Overall, we'll still see temperatures likely into the 50s for most of us this morning. And eventually by the afternoon, we'll be into the mid 50s with some afternoon showers. Overall, as we look at the day ahead, as we head toward about 7 a.m., we'll see some brief light showers. Really, most of those showers will roll in as we head towards the afternoon hours, as we see mostly cloudy skies and warm up likely into the mid 50s for today, as some more showers will roll in. So there'll be some light showers overall, but we'll continue to see that pretty much throughout the entire day on your Monday. As we look at current temperatures to plan out the next couple of days, by about 6:30, we'll be into the mid 50s, but further into Seymour, North Vernon, a little bit warmer out there for you. Back into your Tuesday, about 1 p.m., temperatures will still be into the mid 50s. So overall, a cool and at least a wet week ahead for us as we head towards your Tuesday. Same case back into your Wednesday. Temperatures will even be into the upper 40s with more rain rolling in as we head towards your Wednesday. Likely one of the wetter days we'll actually see this week. So look at that futurecast. By about 2 p.m., we'll continue to see some light rain showers really across the area in places like Jasper, Paoli, out into Tell City, Hardinsburg, and right here in Louisville. That'll continue throughout the evening hours, and eventually we'll see more rain and more cloudy skies actually on the way for your Tuesday. Back into likely Tuesday evening, more rain showers will arrive kind of into the southern Indiana area. So really not much into Kentucky, but southern Indiana, Scottsburg, Seymour, North Vernon, Madison, we'll see most of those showers. As you look at what's ahead for your Wednesday, really widespread showers. It will be a wet day on tap for your Wednesday, as we'll see showers throughout the entire day. Not some heavier showers, but just some really light showers out there for you throughout the entire day on Wednesday. So it's going to be a wet day on store for us, likely a washout. And as we head towards your Wednesday, we really won't see much rain between Monday and Tuesday, but we'll likely see a few areas total up to almost an inch of rainfall really throughout the entire week. So not much heavy rain as we head towards this week. And of course, as we round the corner of October, we did see some warmer temperatures likely into the early parts of this month. But as you look at, we really cooled down into the second week of October, lower 70s, and then we warmed up slightly heading to the third week, but we have seen some nice temperatures overall the last several days, well into the 60s. So we've had a nice streak of 60s at least over the past 7 days. What about those rain showers? Of course, you remember back into early October, we had that day where we saw 4 inches of rainfall, and really since then it's been nice and dry overall. We did see about a ½ an inch just last Sunday, but overall really wet. Overall, not a wet October. Now we are tracking a likely devastating hurricane is Hurricane Melissa that is edging closer, of course, to at least the Jamaica area as a strong Category 5 hurricane. Where is it expected to go? Likely into the Cuba area as a Category 3 and 4. And we do have hurricane warnings out there for you. As we look at that 7-day forecast, rain across the board this week.